The RocRow InkSonic L1800 DTF printer is a powerful and user-friendly A3 DTF transfer machine designed for creators who want long-lasting prints on a wide range of materials. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. Whether you're customizing apparel, accessories, or home textiles, this printer offers a complete solution, combining high-quality output with essential tools and dependable support. This DTF printer includes a 3-in-1 white ink system that circulates, mixes, and filters white ink to prevent clogging. It also features a moisturizing device that keeps the printhead in top condition even during long idle periods, reducing maintenance worries. The built-in heating system improves ink curing without overheating, ensuring sharper transfers and greater durability while avoiding issues like nozzle blockages caused by excessive heat. The adjustable air suction system holds the transfer film firmly in place, preventing shifting or wrinkling during the printing process. This is critical to achieving professional quality results consistently and also prevents potential damage to the printhead caused by direct contact with film. Plus, the printer supports CMYK+White output and delivers exceptional vibrancy and opacity, even on dark-colored fabrics. One of the standout features of the InkSonic L1800 is the comprehensive printing package it comes with. Inside the shipment, you'll find not just the main printer but also an A3 curing oven and a handheld heat press for finishing small designs or doing quick fixes. You also get starter inks, CMYK+White, transfer film, DTF powder, and a full maintenance set including nozzle cleaning liquids and a moisturizing device. The inclusion of test t-shirts allows you to begin practicing and producing right away. Do note that the items may arrive in separate shipments due to multi-warehouse fulfillment. This printer is engineered for maximum versatility. It can print on cotton, polyester, leather, denim, mesh, and more. Applications range from custom t-shirts and hoodies to pillows, bags, socks, and hats, all at a 3 size or larger. It's a reliable choice for both business owners and hobbyists, with support for Windows-based design software, an included USB splitter, a digital multimeter for diagnostics, and printed manuals to guide every step. The RocRow InkSonic L1800 is not just a printer, it's a complete printing ecosystem supported by detailed installation videos, responsive customer support, and a 6-month printhead replacement policy. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available.